A new bill in the United States Congress is reviving President Donald Trump's long-standing ambition to bring Greenland under American control. The proposal, introduced by Republican Representative Randy Fine, would give the president legal authority to annex the Arctic territory and even potentially make it a U.S. state. Greenland, an autonomous territory of Denmark, holds a strategic position in the Arctic, with growing importance due to new shipping routes and abundant natural resources. The US already maintains a military presence on the island, but Trump and his allies argue that full control is necessary to prevent China or Russia from gaining influence. So, what does the bill say? The legislation, called the Greenland Annexation and Statehood Act, was introduced on January 12. It authorizes the president to negotiate with Denmark to acquire Greenland and outlines a process for potentially granting the island statehood. Randy Fine described the bill as a response to growing foreign influence in the Arctic. Meanwhile, the White House defended Trump's stance as a matter of national and allied security. But how did Denmark and Greenland react? Well, Denmark and Greenland have firmly rejected US takeover calls. Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen and Greenlandic Prime Minister Jens Frederik Nielsen presented a united front, emphasizing loyalty to Denmark, NATO, and the European Union. Well, meanwhile, Trump's Greenland ambitions have drawn bipartisan concern in Congress. Lawmakers are traveling to Denmark to reaffirm support for the country's sovereignty. Democratic Senator Chris Coons and Republican Senator Thom Tillis are leading the delegation, accompanied by other members of both parties. Whereas Democratic Representative Jimmy Gomez plans to introduce the Greenland Sovereignty Protection Act. The bill would prevent federal funds from being used for any attempt to annex Greenland, signaling strong congressional opposition to Trump's plan. Notably, the US military has maintained a presence in Greenland since World War II, now limited mainly to the Pituffik Space Base, supporting missile warning, defense, and space surveillance operations. Now, while Denmark is open to military cooperation with the United States, both countries remain firm that Greenland is not for sale and will not be handed over. While Trump's ambitions and the new bill have made headlines, experts say Greenland's annexation is highly unlikely. What are your thoughts on this? Do comment and let us know. And for more updates on the same, keep watching India TV News.